Alcoholics cognitive deficient over long-term periods. It's by Kimberly Ward of Ashford University. For Psychology 625, Professor Lucas, August 22nd, 2018. The article, Subtle Cognitive Deficiency in Severe Alcohol Addicts, Do They Show a Specific Profile?, presents a strong case for those who repeatedly relapse with alcohol addiction to display subtle cognitive deficiency. It takes from a selected group being 22 alcoholics compared to 20 non-alcoholics as a control group, examined by a psychiatrist and neurologist. The findings included frontal executive deficiencies, which are known to include the ability to plan ahead and to overcome impulsive behavior. It would therefore follow that frontal executive impairments would correlate with the occurrence of relapses. Overall, it would be a good idea to include extensive cognitive testing with recovering alcoholics. Analysis of research methodologies used. Research methods included having a senior psychiatrist diagnose individuals as alcoholics, having a total of 22 inpatient and 20 healthy individuals participate, being examined by a neurologist. Testing took place within 7 and 21 days of withdrawal. The independent variables. The independent variables would be the 20 healthy subjects, while the dependent variables are the 22 inpatient subjects. The study design include testing of multiple kinds that included digit span subtest of the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, version 3, the two classical versions of the trial making test, TMT-A and TMT-B, Benton Facial Recognition Test, Syndrome Kurtz Test, SKT, Facial Expressed Emotion Labeling, FEEL, and a German version of the Verbal Learning Memory Test, VLMT, the Murphy-Wall-Warchus Intelligence Test, MWTB, a multiple choice vocabulary intelligence test, was used to provide an estimation of crystalline intelligence. The Regensburg-Warfakis test, RWT, a word fluency test containing verbal and phonological fluency with alternating categories, was also applied. The Beck's Depression Inventory, second version, BDI-2, was completed as a self-questionnaire. The study had two sample t-tests to determine differences as age, gender, and education did not show much difference in those areas. Explanation of results. The findings within the study suggest a need for extensive cognitive testing within severe alcoholics, as it may help them find better coping mechanisms and/or medication that may assist in abstinence from alcohol and improved cognition. Having close age range, education, and gender variables helps to rule those factors out, and looking at solely severe addicts for a cap of at least 5 years creates a common factor as other ailments are weeded out of the two groups as well. Strengths and weaknesses of the study. The strength of the study is its ethical considerations as well as its numerous cognitive tests and carefully thought out study. A weakness could be in its lack of numbers of clinics, as it seems this was done at one facility. suggestion for improvement. Having similar studies paired with this one in multiple clinics and treatment centers where the data can be analyzed to a greater degree, including perhaps doing this in multiple locations, such as different states. Thank you. Alcoholics cognitive deficient over long-term periods. It's by Kimberly Ward of Ashford University. For Psychology 625, Professor Lucas, August 22nd, 2018. The article, Subtle Cognitive Deficits in Severe Alcohol Addicts, Do They Show a Specific Profile?, presents a strong case for those who repeatedly relapse with alcohol addiction to display subtle cognitive deficits. It takes from a select